I pledge to do my best to combat prejudice and to stop those who, because of hate or ignorance, would hurt anyone or violate their civil rights.
I will try at all times to be aware of my own biases and seek to gain understanding of those who I perceive as being different from myself.
I will speak out against all forms of prejudice and discrimination.
I will reach out to support those who are targets of hate.
I will think about specific ways my community members can promote respect and create a prejudice-free zone.
I firmly believe that one person can make a difference, and that no person can be an innocent bystander when it comes to opposing hate.
I recognize that respecting individual dignity, achieving equality, and promoting intergroup harmony are the responsibilities of all people.
I commit myself to creating a community that is no place for hate.
No place for hate.
No place for hate!
No place for hate.